Start. The states of Delhi, Karnataka, Haryana, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Goa, and Kerala are were mulling plans to allow the doorstep delivery of alcohol through platforms like Swiggy, Big Basket, and Zomato. India has seen a steady rise in alcohol consumption. The recorded per capita consumption has increased from 1.6 liters in 2003 2005 to 2.2 liters in 2010, then to 5.5 liters in 2016-18. With $52 billion in revenue, India is the sixth largest alcohol market worldwide. According to a Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment survey in 2019, there were about 16 crore alcohol users in India in the 10 to 75 years age group in 2018. Medically, the safe limit for alcohol consumption is 0 milliliter. Alcohol use causes 3 lakh deaths in the country every year. There were two main arguments in favor of doorstep delivery of alcohol. First, that excise taxes on alcohol sales can help generate revenue for central and state government. Across states, taxes on alcohol sales contribute up to a quarter of all revenue generated for governments. Second, doorstep delivery can help reduce drunk driving incidents and prevent road traffic crashes and injuries. In India, 48% of fatal road traffic fatalities are due to alcohol use. A third argument is that doorstep deliveries may not threaten the safety of women consumers. There is some evidence from Kerala that shutting bars selling hard liquor reduced on premise violence against women. Doorstep delivery options might have a similar effect, especially for women who live alone or with other women. However, this argument is on a slippery slope. For the majority of India's women, safety cannot be presumed as domestic violence related to alcohol use is rampant. So, while doorstep delivery will help women access alcohol without social stigma, a possible advantage in itself whether it could reduce violence against them is suspect. Studies to date agree that for India, the cost due to alcohol use exceed economic benefits from alcohol sales. Second, schemes with doorstep delivery of alcohol assume people will change their drinking and socializing behaviors in response to the new option. It is reasonable but requires concrete evidence. There is some evidence that the availability of alcohol on demand can increase consumption, promote binge drinking, and lead to harms related to alcohol use. Similarly, it is not straightforward to assume doorstep alcohol delivery can reduce drunk driving. There are several other evidence based policies that can help deal with that issue, including sobriety checkpoints, stringent penalties